Welcome to my channel, and for those that are new to my channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button, as today we're going to be talking about what you need to know as a landlord and that may be important to consider. Now, being a landlord comes with many responsibilities and legal obligations and financial considerations. Here are some important things that landlords need to know. Know your legal obligations. As a landlord, you have legal responsibilities to your tenants, such as providing great living conditions, maintaining the property, and following fair housing laws. You got to make sure you're screening your tenants carefully. It's important to screen potential tenants carefully to ensure they are reliable, responsible, and financially stable. This may involve running a background check, checking references, and verifying income. Set clear expectations. Establish clear expectations with your tenants regarding rent payments, maintenance responsibilities, and other important details. This can help prevent misunderstandings and conflicts down the road. Also, make sure you're maintaining the property. Landlords are responsible for maintaining the rental property and ensuring that it is a good condition. This includes making repair promptly and addressing any safety concerns. Also, making sure you're collecting the rent on time. Collecting rent on time is critical to maintaining the financial stability of your rental properties. Establish a clear rent payment policies and follow up with the tenants who are late with their payments. Guys, be prepared for emergencies. Have a plan in place for emergencies such as natural disaster, fires, or other unexpected events. This may include having insurance coverage, maintaining emergency reserves, and having a plan in place for communicating with tenants in the event of an emergency. You also want to make sure you're keeping an accurate records of financial transactions, including rent payments, expenses, and repairs. This can help you manage your rental properties more effectively and to stay organized for tax purposes. Now, overall, being a landlord requires careful attention to legal obligations, financial considerations, and tenant management. By staying informed and following best practices, landlords can effectively manage their rental properties and maintain positive relationship with their tenants. If you need help renting a property here in Austin, Texas, reach out to us. We can help you. If you have any comments, write them down. And if you have any questions, write them down in the comment section. But thanks for watching our video, and hope we'll see you next time.